Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, dear.
What a beautiful Saturday.
Children, finish your breakfast quickly. We have a lot to do today.
What are we doing today, Mama?
We're going grocery shopping. We need many things for the house.
I love going to the supermarket. There are so many colorful things.
That's right, Mira. But remember, you both must behave well at the store.
We always behave well, Papa.
Let me make a shopping list. We need vegetables, fruits, rice, flour, milk, eggs, bread, and some snacks.
Don't forget we need cooking oil and spices too.
Can we buy some chocolates, Mama?
We'll see, sweetheart.
Please.
First, let's get all the important things.
All right, get ready, everybody. We'll leave in 15 minutes.
Arav, Mira, go brush your teeth and wash your faces.
Okay, Mama.
Almost done.
Me too.
Okay, time to rinse.
This is fun. Can I wear my new dress?
Yes, but hurry up. We don't want to go too late. The supermarket gets very crowded in the afternoon.
I'll get the car keys.
Yes, I have 3 reusable bags. We should use less plastic.
Priya, do you have the shopping bags?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. It's better for the environment.
I'm ready, Papa.
Me too.
Good.
Me too.
Everyone, let's go to the car.
You're getting too big for the cart, Mira. But you can help push it. You can take turns. First Arav, then Mira. Is that fair? Here's our shopping list. Let's start with the vegetable section.
Why do we always start with vegetables?
Because vegetables are fresh and important. We need them for cooking healthy meals. All right, we need many things here. Raj, can you get tomatoes, onions, and potatoes?
How much do we need?
About 2 kilograms of each. We're cooking for the whole week. Got it.
Mama, what are you buying?
I'm getting some cauliflower, green beans, and bell peppers.
The bell peppers are so colorful.
Yes, they're beautiful and very nutritious.
Red, yellow, and green. They have lots of vitamins.
We also need some leafy vegetables. Let's get spinach and coriander.
I don't like spinach, Mama.
But Popeye eats spinach and becomes very strong. Don't you want to be strong like Popeye?
Okay, I'll try to eat it.
Now let's move to the fruit section. What fruits should we buy?
We need apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes.
Can we also buy mangoes? I love mangoes.
It's not mango season right now, Arav. But these imported mangoes look good. They're a bit expensive though.
Let's take 4 mangoes. They're the children's favorite.
Thank you, Mama. Can I pick the bananas?
Yes, but choose the ones that are not too ripe. We want them to last for several days.
How do I know which apples are good?
Look for apples that are firm.
And have bright color. No soft spots or bruises.
Good! Now we have all the fruits and vegetables. Let's go to the grains and staples section.
We need rice. Which type should we buy?
Let's get basmati rice. It's good for biryani and pulao.
Biryani! Yay! Pulao!
We need a 10-kilogram bag.
We also need whole wheat flour, chickpea flour, and some lentils.
What are lentils, Mama?
Lentils are small seeds. We cook them to make dal.
You eat dal with rice every day. Oh, I like dal.
Should we buy some pasta too? The children like pasta.
Yes, good idea. Let's get 2 packets.
Can we make pasta tomorrow for lunch?
Maybe. We'll see what everyone wants to eat. Now we need dairy products. We need milk, yogurt, cheese, and butter.
How many liters of milk?
4 liters should be enough for the week. 2 bottles of 2 liters each.
Mama, can I help carry something?
Yes, you can carry this small container of yogurt. Hold it carefully with both hands. We also need eggs. Let me check. We need 2 dozen eggs.
Good idea.
Let's go get them.
All right, lead the way.
We need bread for breakfast. Let's get whole wheat bread and multigrain bread.
Good choices.
Yay, bread!
We should also buy some breakfast cereal.
Yes, and some oats. I can make healthy oatmeal cookies.
This is my favorite section. Look at all these chips and cookies.
Remember, we can only buy a few snacks. Too many snacks are not healthy.
Let's get 1 packet of chips, 1 packet of cookies, and some crackers.
What about juice? Can we buy juice?
Sure.
We can buy 1 bottle of orange juice. But remember, fresh fruit is always better than juice.
That's right, buddy.
Okay, Mom. Papa, can we get some chocolate?
Priya, should we let them have 1 chocolate bar each?
Yes, that's fine. Okay, but only 1 each. Choose wisely.
I want the one with almonds.
We're almost done. We still need cooking oil, sugar, salt, and some spices before we leave.
Which spices do we need to restock?
Cumin, coriander, and turmeric.
Mama, why do we use so many spices in our food?
Spices make our food tasty and flavorful.
They also have health benefits. That's why Indian cooking uses so many spices.
Yes, turmeric is good for immunity, cumin helps digestion, and coriander adds freshness to the taste.
We need cheddar cheese for sandwiches and some mozzarella cheese for pizza.
Now let's get cooking oil. This bottle should last us for the whole month. Good afternoon. How are you today?
We're fine, thank you. We have a lot of groceries today.
Children, help Papa put the groceries on the counter.
I'll help. Placing slowly.
You have very helpful children. Thank you. They're learning to be responsible. Your total comes to 4,750 rupees today.
Can I pay by credit card?
Payment successful. Here's your receipt. Would you like help carrying bags to your car?
No, thank you. We can manage. Everyone grab a bag that you can carry.
I'll take this one with the bread and cookies. I'll carry the small bag with our chocolates.
I'll carry the heavy bags with rice and flour.
Papa, you're so strong.
The kids were so good in the store.
They really were, and we got everything on the list.
Let's put the cold items in this insulated bag so they stay fresh.
Mama, I'm tired. Shopping is hard work.
Yes, it is. But we all work together as a team. I'm proud of you both.
All right, everything is in the car. Let's go home now.
Okay, sweetie, climb on in.
All buckled up back there?
Yep, all set.
All right, let's go. All right, got everything? Ready to head home?
Yes!
I can't wait to try that new recipe.
And ice cream.
Of course, sweetie.
Yay, this is fun.
It is. Almost home.
In this video, we learned real-life conversations about going to the supermarket, buying groceries, and billing. Now it's time for the quiz. How much was the total amount of all items purchased at supermarket? Comment your answer below, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss our next video. Stay tuned for more fun and helpful learning videos.